Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Venu 3S and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps or the wristband on this watch. If you want to change the straps or the wristband on this watch, first you need to remove the old ones. And to do it, you need to grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on the straps you have pins you can basically move. To remove the strap, you need to grab this pin and push it inwards. And once you push it inwards, it will release the strap and you can take it out. Like this. Come on, come out. Okay, basically how this mechanism works is if you push in the pin, it hides in the strap and then you can basically take out the strap because it releases the strap from this hole, so you can take it out. Let's do the same for the second one. So push in the pin and take out the strap like that. So straps removed, here we have them. Once you get the new ones, you can put them back on, and to put them back on, simply put one end, the other end, not the one with the pin, the second end of the strap into a hole. Once you put it into a hole, pull the pin again to hide this pin like that, and then position it on the hole in the watch and release it. And once you release it, it should latch on. Sometimes it takes more than one try to align it correctly, but once you align it correctly, it will click in and you won't be able to pull out the strap. So let's do the same for this one. Put in the hole, pull the pin, align the strap, release, and it will jump in and won't go out, it will hold. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.